I was driving and saw this Echo sitting in the trash on the curb, grabbed it. I thought I'd see if I could get it going. First thing I'll do is put a little fuel in it and see if it'll start. Maybe it doesn't need anything. Well, I don't know if we're getting fuel, so I'll try a little ether in there. Aha! Typical problem. So there's either a fuel line that's bad or the carburetor's gummed up. The fuel lines look okay, and it just takes a minute to pull the carburetor off, so I'll take the carburetor off and clean it quick. Oh, and the fuel lines just fell off of there. So maybe I do need to change that fuel line. It's a little stiff. I'll clean this, change the fuel line. I'll dump the fuel back out. Get my trusty hemostat back out. See if I can grab it. There it is. And the filter. So I'll just push this through and pull this out. Actually, this line's not bad. I think I'm just going to take the bad end off it. Make this easier, there's a little grommet here. I'm going to pull that out so I can get the gas line through easier. I got it through. I like to blow out the fuel line and filter if there's anything in there. I can set this back in. There we go. It's all seated back. Now we'll deal with the carburetor. Ready to put it back together. All right. Hook the throttle up. That's probably the hardest one. It wasn't too hard. And the fuel line. That's good. Make sure your gasket's in place. Choke on. Might give it a little starting fluid. Well, I gotta confess, I thought I turned the switch on. I turned it to stop. We'll turn it to start and see if that'll help.
That's a good idea.
Choke on. Choke off. I'll warm it up and adjust the carburetor. We'll do the low side first, and the low side is always closest to the engine. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.